today is a very short, quick way to show you another way to access the Jeremy box. Now, I'm on a Windows 10 machine here, and this is what you do. You search for command, and you hit enter, and you get your command prompt. This command prompt is basically where all the big money is knowing how to do things here. And Windows 10, if you have the latest version in the patch release, you can log into the Jeremy box like this. You would type in SSH and then your username, whatever that is, and I'll just say fname ns blah 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 at jmkll.org. Now obviously that's not a valid login name, so I would get an error. So I'm going to log in as my classroom person, Tux, and log in as org, and there it is. There's my password. Now notice when I type in the password, there are no stars. And the password is case sensitive. So once you log in, notice your prompt changes. I can now do a few commands and see what's on my machine, ls-l, mind you. And that shows you what's going here, and I can sort by the latest one, ls-ltr. And that tells me public HTML was the latest version, so I can change directory to public HTML. Cat index.html, there it is. And this gives you an opportunity to learn VI. VI index.html. There it is. This is the beast, and VI, we can use it for all sorts of things. And I'm simply going to make a simple change and said I changed it. Now, what did I just do? Okay, you hit the letter I for insert, and the letter I for insert, you see the bottom change, and now you can type, and then hit escape. That puts it in command mode. Now I can exit and save the file. I hit :WQ, and that will write and quit the file. And now when I cat my index.html, you can see those changes. Okay. If you edit a file with VI and you panic and it's all broken, you hit escape, :Q, bang, and that exits everything and does not save anything. Okay. Now if you're really interested, you can actually say W3M index.html, and you can actually look at your website in a text window. And this uses the same bindings that VI does. So you use Q and yes. And so that's one way to get to the Jeremy box. I'll type in exit using Windows. Now I'm going to slide another window in here. This is my Linux window, and I can do the same thing. Log in as Tux and jmkll.org, hit enter, put in my password, and there I am. And I can see what's going on. Now, if you're on a Mac, it works the same way as Linux. When you open the command line on a Mac, you have SSH. And that is another way to get to the Jeremy box. And this is all the command line stuff that you're going to need to know to make the big bucks in industry. Thank you very much.